everyone, welcome back. Today's video is all about Halloween look, presenting Devil Queen for this year's Halloween, and I have kept the theme of red and black for this year. I have tried my best to create this super scary, spooky look for you, and everything is my personal idea. I am going to share each and every step of doing this makeup look. I hope you're gonna like it. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So I have really well prepped my skin using this moisturizer by PECAN. It's the PECAN Moisture Lotion, which adds a lot of hydration to the skin, at the same time a lot of glossiness to the skin. I'm using a KAJAL in order to sketch out and roughly draw a kind of line around my mouth, on the sides of my eyes, where I'm going to create that flesh kind of thingy. Also going to draw that rough sketch on my neck. And I'm going to use this glue. This is the Fevicryl fabric glue. It's non-toxic in nature, and this particular glue helps in sticking cotton tissue paper really well. That's the reason I have used it today. Using a flat shader brush, I'm going to well distribute the glue on that particular sketch which I have drawn on my face. I'm going to take some pieces of cotton and going to apply it really well. Just stick on that cotton really well on top of that glue. You can see this particular step is helping me to create that tear flesh kind of thingy on my face. Applying another layer of glue on top of the cotton, where I'm going to stick on tissue paper. So these are the regular dry toilet tissue paper, which I'm cutting into pieces and applying it on the sides of my mouth on top of that cotton. And this step needs a lot of time, guys. So as you can see, I'm just cutting it into pieces and applying it on the sides of my eyes and also on my neck region. Now I have taken my flat foundation brush. I'm going to apply some water on the areas where I applied that tissue, because this particular step helps in sticking the tissue really well with the cotton. Reapplying another layer of tissue paper on that particular region. So I'm going to put 3 layers, guys. Reapplying some water again, and then going to apply one more layer of the tissue paper. So as you can see, this is definitely going to help me in creating that beautiful flesh looking thingy on my face. Now allowing it to dry on my skin, which has taken me so much time. You just need to dry the entire thing really well on your face. Now for the foundation, which I'm going to use as my base for this look, I'm using Forever 52 liquid foundation in the shade 15 Pecan, which is lighter than my skin tone. That's why I am using it as the base for this look. I'm applying it with the help of a flat foundation brush, and it was so difficult to apply it on the regions where I have applied the tissues, the cotton. So now I'm going to use a PECAN fresh color palette, which has got a bunch of color creams in it, and I'm going to use the red shade, and with the help of a buffing brush, small buffing brush, I'm going to apply the red color on all over my face. So these are color creams, so these are very creamy in texture, easy to blend, but these creases a lot, guys, and it's having medium coverage. So surely you just need to layer it on a number of times. So I have put on, I think, 2 layers of this red color. So applying it and then blending it really well on my neck, on my face, with the help of damp sponge. This is the Beauty Glaze Color Studio palette. I'm going to take the red shade and going to set my entire face and my neck. The red part of my face is acting as the outer skin of Devil Queen. And now I'm going to take my craft brush, and with the help of the back of my brush, I'm going to pull out the edges of that tissue which I have applied around my eyes. This is going to create an illusion of just tear out flesh kind of thingy. I hope you can understand. So pulling this one out was so difficult, and it was creating a kind of pain on my skin. Now using the black from the fresh color palette, I'm going to put it all over my eyes like this, on the sides of my eyes, around my eyes, in order to create that inner skin of Devil Queen. Doing the same thing in my mouth region as well, just pulling out the edges of the tissue paper and putting that black shade inside that region in order to create that black skin. And I'm also putting that black shade on my lips as well, and you can see this is automatically giving you that illusion of teared flesh. And now I'm going to take the maroon shade from the palette and going to apply it on the edges of the tissue in order to create that dark blood kind of look. And it is getting really well blended with the red color, guys, and you can see it is looking so scary and so ugly at the same time. Doing the same thing around my eyes as well, applying that maroon shade to create that blood look. Also going to apply it on my neck. These are toothpicks which I'm going to use as prop for this look. I'm going to insert it inside that mouth region, on the edges of the tissue, and also on the sides of my eyes, and you can see it's looking so scary. Now I'm going to set the region with help of red shadow. Going to apply the black color cream on my neck as well, on that teared out flesh region of my neck, and going to blend it really well with that red color. Going to apply a little bit of black on the sides of my face and connect it to the neck region and blend it really well with the help of damp sponge, guys. This automatically is creating that very dark kind of inner skin peeking through, which was looking really great, guys. In person it was looking super scary. Also inserting some toothpicks in that particular region, tiered flesh region, which I have created on my neck in order to match it with my mouth and also with my eye region. Now I'm going to take the black eyeshadow from the Color Studio palette by Beauty Glaze and going to contour the left side of my face and also a little bit on my forehead. This black is very pigmented, so I have taken a lot of time to blend that out. Also I've used a little bit of my red shade, and with the help of that blender I have blended it really well, guys. So this helps in creating that beautiful shadow on the sides of my face. Now I'm going to use the black shade one more time and just draw my eyebrows. I just want that very bold kind of scary dark eyebrows of Devil Queen. Now I'm going to take the kajal. This is the NYKAA EYEMBLACK kajal, and I'm going to use it for tightening my upper and my lower waterline of my left eye, and going to take that dark brown shade and going to smudge out that kohl which I have applied on my lower lash line. This is the liner by Essence. It's a long lasting 18 hours super last eyeliner. I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner on my left eye. So as you can see, I'm going to reapply the red shade on the edges of that eyeliner which I have created on my lid, and this also will be helping in setting that red color of my lid. This is the In Colors Blushing Cheeks in number 23, which is basically a blush topper. I'm going to use this very beautiful pink blush topper as my highlighter. It has got lots of shimmers in it, so I'm going to apply it on the sides, highest points of the left side of my face, on my forehead, on my nose, and applying a falsie on my left eye. So as you can see, and I'm going to set my right eye with the help of a black eyeshadow because this eyelid was creasing. Now I'm going to use the Sugar Smudge Be Not liquid lipstick in the shade Brazen Raisin and going to apply it on the edges of the tissue which I have applied around my eyes, around my mouth, in order to create that real blood kind of effect. And this lipstick is so pigmented, guys, and the shade actually is creating that beautiful real blood look of Devil Queen, which I absolutely love, and it dries down to matte. That's why it was looking really good with the theme of this Halloween look. Also applying it on my neck. Now I'm going to take this Bella VOSTE lip gloss. It's a nude lip gloss which I'm going to apply also on the edges of that tiered flesh kind of thingy that I have created on my face, and it's going to create that dripping kind of black blood look of my face. This is a custom made headband which I have made particularly for this video. I'm wearing it, and this is how the finished look turned out, guys. So this is the final look, guys. This is how I have created this super scary spooky Devil Queen for this year's Halloween. If you like it, make sure you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm sending you loads of kisses. Take care. Bye, guys.